In this video, we are going to check out how to connect Arduino board with multiple LEDs. So here is the workspace. We'll just check out Arduino board. And here is the Arduino board. We'll move this to the workspace. To connect multiple LEDs, we need breadboard. So we'll place a breadboard. So let's take breadboard small and place it in the workspace. So here we are going to connect 3 LEDs. So let me take LED, and 3 LEDs. We have placed 3 LEDs in the workspace. And then we need a resistor to control the current for this. So let me type resistor to place in the workspace. So we have placed 3 resistors. So let's check out the value of the resistor to be 220 ohm. Similarly, let us just change the value of this to be 220 ohm. And here the third one, let's make it as 220 ohm. So the required components we have placed it places in the workspace. So now we'll connect all the devices. So let all the cathodes will connect it to the ground. So we are going to connect it to this common point. So all the cathode we have connected to the ground, and then from the ground of the Arduino board, we'll click it here. So that from this point till the last, it will get the same ground supply. So now we have connected all the cathode. So the anode, let's connect it to one end of the resistor. And the other end of the anode, let's connect it in the so this vertical point, all the points of this line will get the same power supply. So let's take pin 13 and keep it here. So pin 13, through pin 13, we are going to give input to all the LEDs to make them glow. So let's check out the code. So for that, click code and we'll take text. So here it says 13. We are initializing pin 13 to be the output. And then we say for 1 milliseconds, we make 13 to be high. And for again 1 milliseconds, we make 13 to be low. So let's just, this is a code generated by Tinkercad. So we'll start the simulation to check out how this simulation works. So you could see that for 1 milliseconds, the LED is on and then it is off and on and off. So this is how we connect multiple LEDs to the Arduino board.